Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the chip and deciding how deep it goes. Once done, clean the spot thoroughly with soap and a degreaser so paint adheres. Make sure to mask a generous area to protect finish. Next, use 400 to 600 grit sandpaper to feather the damaged paint down to a smooth edge. You want no sharp lips. Take short, controlled strokes and check frequently. This creates the surface profile needed for filler or primer to bond properly and prevents visible transition lines later. You now build the repair. If the chip reached bare metal, apply a corrosion primer first. Otherwise, use a thin 1K filler or primer to level the spot. Once it's tacky, sand flat with 400 grit and wipe clean. Shake and test your touch-up paint. Apply multiple thin coats rather than one heavy layer so it cures evenly. Make sure each coat flashes off for 10 to 15 minutes. Finish with 2 to 3 light clear coat passes, holding about 6 to 8 inches away to avoid runs. You finish by wet sanding the cured clear coat with 1000 to 2000 grit to remove texture, then polish with a medium rubbing compound, followed by a fine polish for gloss. Make sure to remove masking and inspect the repair in natural daylight to check color and texture. Allow 24 to 48 hours of cure time before washing or waxing. If you see runs or sags, sand them smooth and reapply thin layers. If the color doesn't match, feather and blend surrounding paint rather than overloading the spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.